In this video, we shall see the books that I use for my preliminary exams of UPSC. This is the Csat book from Arihant Publications. It has all solved previous year papers of Csat and a detailed explanation in each and every topics. This is the Csat book I am using. For economy, I use Shankar Ganesh book. It's 6th edition. This book cost around $395. Economics, I didn't study Ncert. Only this book I have studied. This book cost 170 rupees. It's Tamil Nadu book. For Indian polity, I read Lakshmikant. This is the book. It's around 500. I bought it online from Amazon. Yeah, you can see the Lakshmikant here. I have new edition also for that. Many more things are added in this book. Yeah, you can see. This is the book. For environment, I study Shankar IAS book. This during coaching class they gave it along with other books. This one I study for environment. For art and culture, I studied Buddhism and Jainism and first chapter alone, Indian architecture, sculpture, pottery, that alone I studied in this book. Others I studied in Ncert. For modern India, I studied spectrum. Preliminary spectrum only I studied. For ancient India and medieval India, I have this book. வரலாறு மேல்நிலை முதலாம் ஆண்டு 11th standard book தான் இது. I downloaded it from website. I'll share it in my Telegram channel, this book, if you want. These are the NCERTs that everyone must study. For geography, everyone will study only Ncert and GC Leong. Atlas is most important in preliminary. Yeah, this is the 6th book. Sixth geography. It's 7th. 8th geography. But many will say 11th, 12th is more than enough. But I studied from 6th because I am new to this geography thing. I haven't studied in my school days. So from basics I learned. Yeah, this is 9th and 10th geography is this. 11th. Everything I bought it from Amazon only. Okay. 12th is this. Sorry, 11th book. Twelfth book is India, People and Economy. I'll show it. This is the 12th books, but I haven't studied this one. I must study. These two books are 12th one. It's geography, and you can see this is the G.C. Leong book. For polity, I studied only this book, Indian Constitution at Work. This is the one, 11th standard book. Then histories from 6th I studied. 6th book are past 1, 7th book is our past 2, 8th book has 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. Then 11th book I studied, Art and Culture. Then themes in Indian history has 3 parts, 12th books these are. I studied new Ncert only. I haven't studied old one. I bought this only and studied. Old Ncert is very tough for me, I think. I studied only this new Ncerts. This is the atlas I am using. Daily I study the Hindu newspaper for current affairs. Then I rely on, from this only I try to for current affairs I follow Rav's Focus magazine only I follow. It's monthly compilation like Vision IAS. Everything will be nicely covered in this. For previous year questions, I studied Kiran book. See Kiran Institute. This Kiran UPSC previous year solved questions. This one is a very bulkier book. This price is around 4050. I bought it in Amazon. See, it has 1384 pages. First 360 pages alone I have in this. Next I have binded it separately. Each subject I have binded it by removing it. You can see for science and technology, it's economy, it's general knowledge, GK, it's current affairs, Indian polity, and geography, environment, previous questions. Okay. I have new edition of Indian polity. Only few chapters are added in this. Only that alone you can take print out because it's costly to buy again. I bought because I don't know how many chapters are added. I study at home, so I bought this book. It is not used. I'm using the old one only for only 2 chapters. I'm using. In next video we will see Tamil literature books, optional books. Thanks for watching friends. Subscribe to my channel. Like, support.